Hello everyone. Oh. Okay. Today we are going to bring you an unboxing video, which is a Telesin Dome port unboxing video. So have a look at the box of the Dome port. It's compatible for Hero 7, 6 and 5. So let's open the box and have a look at what's inside it. First it comes with the manual. First page they have mentioned the other Telesin products as well, and all the necessary information when you're using this Dome port. Let's open the upper lid and see. There is the cleaning cloth. Then comes the Dome pot. So we have few other friends as well. They're joining for the unboxing video. There's a wrench to remove the nails, and hand strap if you are diving with the Dome pot for the safety of the Dome pot. And new addition of the Telesin Dome pot. If you are traveling long distance with the Dome pot, it's better to have this cover. It will make sure not to make scratches on the Dome pot. The trigger gun. Let's see later part how we can fix this, and the floating grip. So let's see how to fix the trigger gun. That's where you have to insert your GoPro. After inserting the GoPro, I can't show you the GoPro because I'm recording this video with my GoPro, so I won't be able to insert it and show it to you while recording. That's how we are going to fix the trigger gun. Then here comes the floating grip. Yeah, here it is. That's how it will be look like after fixing the trigger gun. So that's it. That's about the unboxing the Telesin Dome port. I'll come up with another video clip to show you what are the advantages and the disadvantages of this Telesin Dome port. Until then, have fun.